Oh, that was a good one. Kill switch. Whew.
Hey guys, Bradshaw here. Out on a ride with Suburban Delinquent, I wrecked the bike in the rocks and busted off the front fender.
Oh man. Survey the damage here. I toasted the front fender.
If you look, it's cracked all the way up to here. So today I'm going to use my cutoff wheel and I'm going to make a little Supermoto Fender. See how it turns out. So step one was to mask it, that way I can get at least a general idea of the line that I want to follow. It's a little bit wavy, but we'll see how it turns out. When that plastic melts back together and dries, it becomes like glue. Oh, look at that melting plastic. It's kind of fun. Now I'll let it dry for a minute. Go ahead and take a file to it, make it look all pretty. Well, it's hard. The round side. Alright, now to sand it up and make it look pretty, but not too bad. Now the Supermoto look here on the 1190.
That was a good one. Get going. Woo. Two. Survey the damage here. I toasted the front fender. It's just scratched. Things are always coming loose. So tighten that up.